Ever wondered how ethical hackers and network administrators manage to keep an eye on every nook and cranny of their networks? The secret lies in a powerful open-source tool known as Nmap, short for Network Mapper. This tool forms the cornerstone of network discovery and security auditing. So, what exactly does Nmap do? As a multifaceted tool, Nmap engages in several key functions, each contributing to a comprehensive understanding of network structures and their security. First up, network discovery. Nmap uses this feature to identify every device connected to a network. These can range from computers and servers to routers, printers, and even those pesky IoT devices. Imagine having a complete list of every device on your network at your fingertips. That's what Nmap delivers, allowing administrators to gain a comprehensive understanding of their network's layout and structure. Next, we delve into the world of port scanning. Nmap scans for open ports on network devices. For those who may not know, ports function as communication endpoints that facilitate different services to operate over a network. By identifying which ports are open, Nmap gives a clear picture of what services are running on a particular device. But Nmap doesn't stop there. It dives deeper with its service version detection feature. This function allows Nmap to determine the versions of services running on open ports. This information is a treasure trove for those looking to assess the security posture of a network, as it helps in identifying potential vulnerabilities linked to specific software versions. And speaking of identification, Nmap also has a knack for operating system detection. It can make an educated guess about the operating system running on a target device based on various network characteristics and responses to probes. This insight further enhances the understanding of the types of devices present on the network. Last but not least, Nmap uses all this gathered information to create a detailed map or blueprint of the network topology. This is what we call network mapping. The map helps administrators visualize the network and identify potential security weaknesses or misconfigurations. In summary, Nmap is the Swiss Army knife for network administrators, security professionals, and ethical hackers. It offers invaluable insights into network devices, their services, and potential vulnerabilities. It's a tool that not only helps organizations enhance their security posture, but also equips them to mitigate risks effectively. So next time you wonder about the unseen heroes maintaining network security, remember the mighty Nmap and its arsenal of features. It's not just a tool, it's a guardian of the network realm.